Hey, it's Sammy. On January 15th, we had that inflation news again today at 8:30. We took 5 trades and made 222 points. Let's dig in and take a look at these trades and how everything played out today. So this is actually the red news trade. We know it's going to burst long. I probably should have put a pending order in here, but watch all this data flip. I hit the button, got to scroll up, see where we even got our order filled. This thing just ripped. Now it's running really strong. There's plenty of data. I'm just trying to suss out what to do, but this is really incredible. Same kind of trade as yesterday. I'm just going to manually lock in 70 points here. There's no sense in trying to let this thing go further. As you can see, that trade did go further. What I have right here is just data that I've never even seen. It's off the charts. I mean, I've never seen this much sentiment. Momentum is just off the charts. We've got 4 or 5 volatility breaks all the way out to the 4-hour chart. So, I mean, yeah, we're going to re-enter here. We're going to hit this resistance level in the 223 Fibonacci extension for 33 points. Yeah, just incredible news day. So here we go. Now this is what I've been waiting for, was for our short time frame data to decay enough to the point where we can get the reversal off of that high. It's super divergent right now. It just keeps popping and popping and popping up. So finally here, we've got enough data to take a short for a little bit of a correction. Now, because I'm working against high time frame, very powerful data, I know this is just a pullback. It's nice to be able to take advantage of that when you have this short time frame data. As you can see, we're just working with 1-minute data. So it gives us, just these little moves, but hey, I'll take 29 points. I got the trade protected. There's no risk in this. Same thing, we're coming close. We're at the open here now in this area. So basically, we're going to come back through. You saw us go up to the 223.6 with R1 or R2, I think. We're coming back through now. We're coming through the 200 moving average in the first deviation. So you can see we still have that short time frame data. Now the 5-minute chart has decayed enough. So we're going to go ahead and take this. Because these are high risk trades going against that kind of long time frame data, we're going to go ahead and make sure that stop loss is protecting the trade. And this trade, we're just going to lock in 39 points. And you can see we had some more, but it popped back quick. All right, so now after all that chop, all that manipulation, you can see we have the open line. We have a new VPOC right here, and I'm coming through it because all of my data is going back into confluence or realigning. Yeah, let's get our stop loss moved into profit and protect this trade, and let's go up. We are going to go all the way up to where it says value area high. That's where we have our take profit set. You're probably wondering how I know this is going to go. The sentiment and volatility and momentum are just off the charts today from that red news. So here we go. It's going to hit our top take profit very quickly, 51 points.